Good morning students, welcome to my class. So in class 3A English language, we are going to do lesson 7 verbs. Alright. Now you see here, what are actually verbs? Verbs are doing words. You know that verbs are doing words. They tell us that an action is being done. Okay. Now with the help of some examples, we are going to learn this. Alright. You see here, let us start. First of all, let us do page number 46. This is work in pairs and use the words in this tall cool glass of lemonade to complete the recipe for it. Now you see here, let us first do, then you can easily understand that what are verbs. Verbs are doing words. They tell us that an action is being done. Any work is being done. What is action? Any work is being done. You are doing something. Okay. That is actually a verb. So you see here, number 1, wash 8 lemons well in a bowl of warm water. So wash, what you are doing? You are washing. So wash is an action word here, wash is a verb here. Alright, wash 8 lemons well in a bowl of warm water. You are washing it. You are using your hands to wash. Isn't it? You are doing some work. Alright, next number, cut the lemons into slices. Here also you are cutting the lemons. Isn't it? So if you are cutting the lemons, you are working, isn't it? You are working, you are cutting it with a knife. So cut the lemons into slices, into pieces. Slices means pieces. Squeeze out the juice into a cup. You are squeezing it out. You are taking out the juice. So you are doing some work here. You are doing an action here. So squeeze is also a verb. Alright. Mix half a cup of sugar in 1 cup of water. So mix half a cup of sugar. You are mixing it. Isn't it? You are mixing it. You are stirring it or you are mixing it. So you are using your hand. Okay, hand. That means your spoon. The spoon is in your hand. You will mix the sugar in 1 cup of water. You are going to use a spoon to mix it. Isn't it? So mix is a verb here. Boil the mixture and let it cool. You will boil the mixture. You are going to boil it. You will put it in the oven. You are going to boil it. So you are putting it in the oven. You are lighting the gas with a lighter. So you are also doing work here. So boil is the verb here. Alright. Next you see, pour the sugar syrup and the lemon juice into 4 cups of cold water. Pour the sugar syrup. What you have boiled. Okay, the syrup you have made. So you have to pour it. You have to put it into 4 cups of cold water. Okay. And the lemon juice into 4 cups of cold water, you have to put that syrup. So you are using your hand to pour it. You are holding the container, you are pouring it, you are doing some work. So pour is a verb here. Okay. Chill the mixture in your refrigerator and enjoy. So how you are going to chill it? You are going to take those 4 cups, you will put it in the refrigerator. Isn't it? Again you are going to keep it there or you will take out. So chill the mixture in your refrigerator and enjoy. So chill is also a verb here. So now you can easily understand that what are verbs. Verbs are doing words. They tell us that an action is being done. Alright. We use verbs to express in any activity we do. Any activity we do means any work we do. Okay. Verbs are often called action words. Just now I told you. Alright. So the teacher prepares for our class every night. Okay, now we are going to use the verb according to the subject of the sentence. Alright, we have to see the subject is in which person. It is in first person, it is in second person, or it is in the third person, singular or plural. We have to see that. Okay, here you see the teacher. The teacher is the third person here, singular. So prepares for our class every night. Prepares is the verb here. We are along with the verb we are adding s, prepares. Alright, the teacher prepares for our class every night. Alright, the teacher checks our homework in the afternoon. Again here the teacher is the third person singular number. So the teacher checks, along with the verb we are adding s. The teacher checks our homework in the afternoon. Every month the teacher signs our report cards. Here also it is in the third person. So signs along with the verb sign plus s, we are adding s. Every month the teacher signs our report cards. So you can now easily understand that what are verbs. Alright. Now you see, let me tell you, the words like is, will be and was are also verbs. you have to keep in mind before starting the lesson, the words like is, will be and was are also verbs. Okay, they do not talk about any action. Like you see here, the words we learned just now, like chill, pour, cut, squeeze. Okay, these words is, will be, was, they do not tell us about any action. They were action words, but verbs are without action words also. These are also verbs. Alright, they do not talk about any action, yet they declare or express about what a person or thing is. Okay, he is a good boy. He is a good boy. Here, which one is the verb? Is the verb here. He is but is telling us about he. He is what type of boy? Is a good boy. So you can see here. Okay, they declare or express about what a person or thing is. They tell us about what a person or thing is. These words are also called verbs. You should keep in mind this. Alright. Okay, now you see this paragraph we are going to do. I am going to write down this paragraph and we are going to do this. Alright. So we are going to start the exercise. Okay. But one thing you keep in mind here we are going to underline only the action words. Alright, we are not going to underline any other like being verbs. I will teach you is, am, are, was, were, all these are being verbs. Okay, then has, had, have, all these are also verbs that show belonging or that show possession. Okay, here we are not going to underline any other verbs. Here we are only going to underline the action words. Alright. Underline the verbs in this little paragraph about the joys of early mornings. Okay. Every morning I wake up and stare out. I wake up and stare out of my beside window. Beside window. Our house is next to the park. Our house is next to the park. At that time, at that time, a cool breeze blows. And the birds twitter. The sound of the birds, and the birds twitter. The koel has the loveliest voice. The koel has the loveliest voice. There are dewdrops on the grass. There are dewdrops on the grass and on the leaves during winter. It is most beautiful during the monsoons. It is most beautiful during monsoons. Okay, the only sound I hear is that of the rain. Everything around me feels happy. Everything around me feels happy, peaceful and musical. Peaceful and is musical. Okay. Now you please see the verbs. I am going to underline the verbs. Only the action words we are going to do. Now which are the action words? Okay. Other than like is, I already said you, we are not going to underline is, am, are, was, were or has. We are not going to underline all those verbs. They are also verbs, but we are here, we are only going to underline the action words. Alright? Okay. So every morning I wake up and stare out of my bedside window. So wake is the verb here. Okay? Wake is the verb here. Stare is the verb here. Alright? Of my bedside window. Alright? Our house is next to the park. Here is the verb, but we are not going to underline. At that time, a cool breeze blows. So blows is the verb here. You see the breeze is blowing. Alright. And the birds twitter. The sound of the birds, they are making sound. So they are twittering. Twitter. Alright. The koel has the loveliest voice. Here also we are not going to underline has. Has is the verb here which show belonging. But we are not going to underline because this is not an action verb. Alright. There are dewdrops on the grass, on the leaves during winter. Okay. Here we cannot find any verb here. Alright. It is most beautiful during the monsoons. Here also you see is the verb. But they declare or express about what a person or thing is, isn't it? So like most beautiful, it is most beautiful during the monsoon. But it is not an action word, so we will not underline. The only sound I hear is that of the rain. The sound I hear. So here you see, during monsoons, the only sound I hear, you are hearing with your ears. So this is the verb here. Here is that of the rain. Alright. Everything around me feels. I am feeling. That feeling is there. So this is also a verb here. Alright. Everything around me feels happy, peaceful and musical. So you see here wake, stare, blows, twitter, hear and feels are action words here. Alright. So now you can understand what are verbs. Verbs are doing words. They show that an action is being done. Alright. So you have to do this in your English language copies, my dear students. Alright. Now let us proceed. Verbs, as we have discussed, are doing words. Already we have discussed what are verbs. Verbs are doing words. Now read these sentences. Our house is next to the park. This already I said that is also a verb here. Alright. There are dewdrops on the grass and on the leaves. So there are dewdrops. You see are the dewdrops here. Are. Okay. These are all being verbs. Is, am, are, was, were. All these are being verbs. The words in colors do not show action. They are the verbs that show being. Okay, they are the words that show being, or you can say they do not talk about any, you can say any action, yet they declare or express about what a person or thing is. They tell us about what a person or thing is. Alright. So they are known as being verbs. Keep in mind is, am, are, was, were. Okay, all these are being verbs. Okay, even will be, all these are being verbs. Alright. Now you see here. The koel has the loveliest voice. You see, you can say this, the word has, have, had, all these are also verbs that show belonging. Okay, the word in color here is a verb that shows that someone or something belongs to someone or something. Alright, actually they show belonging or possession. Alright, you have already learned about possession. They show belongings or possession. So these words like has, have and had are verbs that show belonging or possession, you can say. Okay, like you can say the trees had many leaves in summer. You can say the trees had many leaves in summer. You see here had, what it is, what the verb had is telling here. It is telling us about the past, that the trees, they had many leaves in summer. So now it is actually not summer, but they had leaves in the summertime. Okay. Sita had read the book last year. So already it is in the past. She had read the book. It is telling us about Sita. Had is telling us about Sita, that she had read the book last year. Alright. So we have done what are verbs today. Verbs are action words. They tell us that an action is being done. They tell us that an activity is being done. Today we learned about the being verbs also. Is, am, are, was, were, all these are being verbs. Okay, as well as will be. These are also being verbs. Has, have and had, they show belonging. These verbs, they are known as belonging verbs, or they show possession. Alright students, so in our next class we shall proceed. Thank you.